How to log in Viber with different accounts. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can log in into Viber with different accounts. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. If you open up your Viber application, if you try to access the switch account feature in Viber, Viber does not have a built-in feature. So in that case, you have to go to your device settings where you may have a built-in feature in your device such as parallel app, dual app or app cloner. So most of the Android phones have a built-in features for the application cloning, and in that way you can log in into Viber with your another account. So for that, in your device, all you have to do is open up settings. And on the settings, tap on the search icon, and here in the search bar you can search for parallel app. If you cannot find a parallel app, then you can also search for dual app or app cloner as well. If you have it, then tap on the parallel app, then tap on it. After that, under the parallel app, if you could find Viber in this list, all you have to do is toggle it on. After that, a second Viber icon will appear in your home screen. Open the second Viber application and then log in with a different account where you can add a new phone number. Now this will allow you to run two separate Viber accounts in your mobile device. But if you don't have the parallel app or dual app or app cloner, and if you cannot find the Viber application in the list, so in that case your phone might not support any of the built-in application cloning, then install the application such as Parallel Space. So open a Play Store in your device and search for the application Parallel Space and install the application. Once you install the application, open it up, then you will have an option to create the another Viber application. Here you have to add the Viber into the Parallel Space. After that, tap on this Viber application right here. Then the Viber will open up where you can log in with your new phone number. And in that way, you can use two accounts in your mobile device in Viber. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.